Nathalia Audrey at first birthday. LDCO Events Place, Divine Mercy Drive, Carriage, Lapalapa City. Happy birthday to you, Nathalia Audrey. More birthdays to come and God bless you once again. Happy birthday. Boss Rick's Vlogs.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Nathalia Audrey, Nathalia Audrey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Nathalia Audrey, Nathalia Audrey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay guys, kasi depende na pinuhang na pangari. Na this time, I need an adult, the adult magko. Kasi na try. Si sir! Sige na sir! Dito ka click din man sir. Itago lang sir. Kayo mo! Ito! Close the music man. Alright now everyone, I know what's on your mind. Kita mga Pinoy, mga smart kita, di kita magpaila, di ba? So if you think ang secret nila sa ilaw, whether it's a balloon, a propeller, or a stick that I'm holding on, or a string, a magnet, or a man control one. Now guys, this time, I'm gonna take it off the cover, okay? Thank you so much, Alicia Events. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Yes, that's morning the night.
And also, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank Mother G, Catering Services by Miss Elaine. Yes, ayan. And also, we'd like to thank DJ Party Good Guys. Yes, ayan.
Boss Rick's Vlogs, thanks for watching. Bye bye.